Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a really cute nail set. I think I'm going to do like some junk nails probably. And here we have the All Shine On Me gel polish by Born Pretty. Well, that's like their signature saying, I believe so. And it does bring 6 bottles of gel polish. In the back it does include everything you need to know, directions, etc. Sorry for the noise in the background. I do live in a condo. But anyways, so yeah, here is the instructions manual along with photos and instructions on how to apply, how to remove, etc, etc. So that's always very helpful. And then in the back there is some Q&As, friendly reminders, and so forth. So let's get right into the product. So here we have the beautiful gel polishes, and the first one that we have here, by the way, this collection is called Pink Muse Milky Jelly collection. So they're all like jelly like pinkish tones and stuff like that. They're very beautiful, and these are all 7 ml. In the back it tells you directions and ingredients and warnings, and also the lifespan on the shelf span. So let's get right into showing you what it looks like. And I already have the swatches ahead of time, so I will go ahead and show you afterwards. Next we have 05, and they do say the numbers on top. So it's another brighter pink jelly like color. I'm just gonna remove them because I'm gonna be using a little bit of all of them in today's look anyway. So might as well just remove them now. We also have 04 and a brighter type of Barbie colored pink. Very beautiful. And then we also have 03. And this is a beautiful glittery princess one. Of course, this is my favorite. So beautiful. Right here. And then we have the second to last one, 02. It's very bright fuchsia pink, very pretty. And lastly, we have 1. So here we have a darker purplish color. So here we have these really beautiful colors. This is what they appear like. This is just one coat. They're all jelly-like, and they're absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this is what the gel polishes look like. They're so pretty. I love them. I will have everything linked down below for each and every one of you if you are interested in getting it for yourself. But yeah, thank you so much to Born Pretty once again. I didn't even say thank you to begin with, so thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending on over this really beautiful collection that I absolutely love. are already pre-shaped, pre-sculpted, C-curved, but they look really beautiful. The C-curve looks natural, and they already have an instant apex. These are called Tipex from Beetles. I will have everything linked down below. And these are full coverage acrylic nails. They literally look like glass nails, and the quality of them are incredible, like insane. I absolutely love these. This is the nail glue I'm going to be using. It's a long-lasting UV LED gel by Beetles. I am going to leave them the length that they are. They're already pre-sculpted, pre-etched, and they're already have such a beautiful C-curve that's not overbearing or anything. It's all natural looking, very pretty. You just go ahead and use a piece size of the glue. I always say a little goes a long way. So you apply it at a 45-degree angle at the start of the cuticle, and you just press all the way down. And you see how there's bubbles forming? That means I didn't apply enough product. So I simply just go on over and apply some more. And I retry once again. And now it is perfect. You want to avoid air bubbles just because that causes lifting. So just avoid any air bubbles. First, I'm going to go in with the rough grit and then the smoother grit. That's what I'm going to start off with. You could add base coat after this. I'm just being lazy right now, honestly, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this glitter one. because it's so pretty. Honestly, this was more like a test nail, I could say, because I didn't really like the way it came out. But the rest of the set I did enjoy. So this is the set that I came up with. Let me know what you guys thought about it down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would be very much appreciated. So yes, thank you guys so much once again for watching and tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in the next one.